Hey guys, welcome to another showcase video today, and I always like to show things that I'm really interested in, and I like to show things that other people might never have seen before, and other sort of publishers and developers who might not get that much traction on the store but have really cool assets that are really reasonable and are really cool looking. And this is something that I'm going to be showing two specific ones from this developer called the Digital Antichrist, and it's the photo textures ground with Puddles, and it's the wet asphalt textures. And as you see from some of the examples, they're really nice looking, high detail textures, usually featuring 5 different types of textures specifically for using with any specific application inside of Unity, but it's specifically designed to work with the terrain editor, and it's just 2000 by 2000 textures with normal maps, and similar with the photo texture with ground puddles, it's another set of 6 high quality textures up to 2K resolution with sort of puddles and dirt, and there's a lot of variation that you can produce with these bunch of textures. So be sure to check out the Digital Antichrist with all of his bunch of trees, shaders, materials, textures, and lots of different things that can help you, including grass and other things. So first is going to look at the photo textures with ground and the wet puddles, and you can see from this terrain example here, all it is a basic terrain that you can see, and we've got an option we can pin different style of textures here, just as you would with any normal terrain, and it's just a selection of, essentially as you can see here, a selection of materials that are just albedo or normal map, and you can add a selection, and if we select one and go and edit textures, you can see that it's just the albedo and it's got the normal, and you can see that when we have got a selection, we can paint on, depending on the brush, obviously, just as you would paint with many different elements of the Unity terrain editor, and you can just get a nice variation. And I really like these when they come with a variation of dirt, just so that you can raise and lower the height and create areas of, with a bunch of brushes that you might have, you can create variation really easily. I'm just literally showing you an example of how you could possibly do it. And you can see that the item on the end is sort of a water variation, and you can create large spaces of water quite easily, just sitting water that might be puddles, and you would want to give it some variation depending on what brushes you choose to use. So a really awesome selection, just as if you're using a basic scene in Unity with a terrain editor, and you can create a nice looking variation of ground with puddles really easily. And the second one is the wet asphalt, and this is another really awesome one because it's another just basic on the terrain editor with a variation of textures and things like that, where you can create again the sort of effect of puddles, just where it might be sitting dirt on sort of dirty areas of ground, and you can just make nice areas of variation just with a bunch of textures here, and you can create it again with this sort of style of brush. And whether you want to paint and raise and lower the height, say we create some variation by just creating a sort of maybe small island here, and then we can get exactly the same elements as we did have elsewhere. And whether we choose to sort of reduce areas of the terrain, I'm just literally messing around, sort of not doing anything specific, and we can just create sort of loads of weird variation, whether it be using the textures that are provided with the package itself, or just the things that you might want to use within your scenes. So these were just a selection of 2 particular assets, which include a bunch of 5 and 6 high quality textures for terrains, including the puddles, which I think go a really long way to make scenes look really awesome, and for €5, give or take depending on your currency. So these are really something to look at. So be sure to check these out and all the assets that this developer creates, and I'll leave the link in the description for you to check out. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.